Hello everyone, myself Shinde Vijay, working as Assistant Professor at Department of Nanoscience and Nanotechnology, KTHM College, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss TYBSc Semester 3rd, paper number 2nd, that is the course of Nanophysics. In today's lecture, I have covered the topic of Poisson distribution. In this topic, I have covered the definition and expression of Poisson distribution. Another one topic covered that the mean value of Poisson distribution and the standard deviation of Poisson distribution. I have first one start the Poisson distribution. There are two limiting forms of the binomial distribution which are very useful in statistical physics. There are two limiting forms of a binomial distribution which are very useful in statistical physics. Two limiting forms. First one, in previous lecture I also discussed the Gaussian distribution, one of limiting form of binomial distribution. And another one is Poisson distribution. These two forms have a binomial distribution limiting form. Limitation. One of them is known as Poisson distribution. Means these two limiting forms that have one of Poisson distribution and another one Gaussian distribution. This distribution is valid when that have four conditions. First one, capital N is very large, P is very small, small n is very small, and the last one condition is but NP is finite. But NP is finite. That's how using these conditions we can approximate the factor appearing in the binomial distribution. This distribution is known as Poisson distribution. This distribution is known as Poisson distribution. Thus, the capital N factorial upon capital N minus small n factorial is equal to capital N in bracket N minus 1 up to N minus small n plus 1. This is the series of polynomial. Okay, polynomial series that's have, and in this series in short by the written in n raised to n. These all terms are included in capital N raised to small n is these solutions. These series solutions or polynomial solution. That is the written by equation 1. Here, because of the condition first, we have assumed each factor equal to capital N. Because condition means in previous slide I have discussed the first condition, capital N is large. Okay, capital N is large. That's this condition I have assumed by each factor equal to capital N. Each factor equal to capital N. That's how now Q is equal to 1 minus P. I have discussed the binomial distribution. The P plus Q is equal to 1. That's how Q is equal to 1 minus P. Therefore, logarithm form ln Q is equal to ln 1 minus P. Expanding the right hand side by Taylor's theorem and remaining only the first term, because P is very small, we get that's our second condition. So defined by the Poisson distribution. Second condition, P is very small. We get the only right hand side. Ln Q is equal to minus P. Ln Q is equal to minus P. Why written here? But that's how, or because the P is very small term. P is very small term. That's how the Q is equal to e raised to minus P. q is equal to e raised to minus p. Hence, e raised to capital N minus small n is equal to e raised to minus p in bracket capital N minus small n. That's how is equal to also written as the minus e raised to minus pn. E raised to minus pn. That's how written by the equation number 2. With these approximations, the binomial distribution takes the form Pn is equal to capital N raised to small n upon n factorial into p raised to n e raised to minus pn. That's how the value of q. Okay, that value of q raised to n minus small n value. Okay, that's how written here. Is equal to also simplify that this equation is in bracket pn raised to small n upon n factorial into e raised to minus pn. That is the equation number 3. This is the known as Poisson distribution. This equation is known as Poisson distribution. It will condition the term n factorial, but since n is very small, that's how we can return the Poisson distribution in form of Pn is equal to mean value n raised to n upon small n factorial into e raised to minus mean value n. That is the equation number 4, where we have used equation in mean value of binomial distribution is mean value n is equal to p capital N in bracket p plus q raised to capital N minus 1. That's how also the written by or simplify that 1 p plus q is equal to 1 raised to n minus 1, that is also written by 1. Okay, that's how pn, this mean value n is how. From this relation, we see that the summation over, that is the condition of normalization. Normalization condition summation over Pn is equal to summation over mean value n raised to n upon small n factorial into e raised to minus mean value n. This is the simplified that e raised to mean value into e raised to minus mean value, that is equal to 1. They have the mean value n, the e is common, and the mean value n minus mean value n e raised to 0, that is the written by 1. E raised to 0 is equal to 1. Okay, that is the equation number 5. Because the summation over n raised to n upon n factorial is equal to e raised to mean value. That's how written here. Let's have here the expression and definition point of Poisson distribution is over that. The another one point discussed with the mean value of Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution we have that find out the mean value. The mean value of variable n is given by the mean value is equal to summation over n is equal to 0 to infinity npn. That have written by the summation over n is equal to 0 to infinity n mean value n raised to n upon n factorial into e raised to minus mean value n. That's how the mean value n raised to n. The one is common there, and the constant term is written by here. Mean value n into e raised to mean value n summation over n is equal to 1 to infinity. That have n is equal to 0 consider, but n is equal to 1 consider, that the infinity. Now n mean value n raised to small n minus 1 upon n minus 1 factorial. That is how also simplified that the mean value n e raised to minus mean value into e raised to mean value, that have the written by 1. That's how the mean value n is equal to mean value n. Mean value n is also the find out that previous slide the mean value n is equal to Pn. That is the equation number 6. Means the mean value n is also find out at the Pn. Thus, Poisson distribution has the same mean value as the binomial distribution. Means the Poisson distribution and binomial distribution has a mean value is same or similar. Now, n square mean value is equal to summation over n is equal to 0 to infinity, that have n square mean value n raised to n upon small n factorial e raised to mean value n. Let's have also simplified that summation over n is equal to 0 to infinity, that have in bracket n minus 1 bracket complete plus n bracket complete that upon n factorial into mean value n raised to n into e raised to minus mean value. The also simplified that this equation is the summation over n is equal to 2 to infinity mean value n raised to n upon n minus 2 factorial e raised to minus mean value plus summation over n is equal to 1 to infinity mean value n raised to n upon n minus 1 factorial e raised to minus mean value. That have the n is equal to 2. That's the condition of n square. N square means n is equal to 2 here put up, that the and n is equal to 1 put up here. The n raised to mean value n square summation over n is equal to 2 to infinity mean value n raised to n minus 2 upon n minus 2 factorial e raised to minus infinity plus mean value n summation over n is equal to 1 to infinity. Let's have the mean value n raised to n minus 1 upon n minus 1 factorial e raised to mean value n is equal to also simplified that the mean value n square into e raised to mean value into e raised to minus mean value plus mean value n into e raised to mean value into e raised to minus mean value. That's how e raised to mean value into e raised to minus mean value. This value is 1 and this also 1. We have also simplified that mean value n raised to 2 plus mean value n, that is the equation number 7. This equation is also useful that the calculated by the standard deviation. Here the mean value of Poisson distribution is point over, that have also discussed the standard deviation of Poisson distribution. The measure of these fluctuations is the standard deviation. The general formula of standard deviation, sigma square is equal to n square mean value minus mean value n square. Let's have the general formula of standard deviation. That have the put up equation or simplify that equation, mean value n square plus n mean value n minus mean value n square, that have written by the mean value n. Okay, mean value n, that is the equation number 8. Mean standard deviation is equal to mean value n raised to 1 by 2, that is the equation number 9. The mean standard deviation upon mean value n is equal to mean value n raised to 1 by 2 upon mean value n, that have simplified that the mean value n raised to minus 1 by 2, that's the or under root mean value n. The physical systems which can be the Poisson distribution are number of electrons from a thermodynamic cathode, radioactive emission, etc. Means these Poisson distribution are useful that the number of electrons from a thermodynamic cathode or radioactive emissions, these condition or these problems we have used that the Poisson distribution. These problem are find out or this problem are answered that the using Poisson distribution. In here, the standard deviation of Poisson distribution point is over that. In this lecture, I have covered the definition and expression of Poisson distribution, mean value of Poisson distribution, and standard deviation of Poisson distribution. In next lecture, I have covered the random walk problem. Thank you.